In the Target Windows client, I may have a dashboard like the products dashboard, this one here. And maybe I would like to somehow publish this dashboard to a browsable HTML format. In order to do that, I'll go here to add a scheduled job. Let's just set it up. Maybe this is a job that should be running from 7 a.m. in the morning, repeating once every hour until 8 o'clock in the evening, like this. And the format should actually just produce an HTML output, this one here, and delivery will be using this new publish option. When I click here, it'll produce a link. It's actually a link that'll be put on your target server, and we're going to need that link at a later point, so I'll go here and copy this to my clipboard. But now it tells me that I need to configure my Anywhere URL, and I need to do that in my Target Management Studio. So apparently this is a one-off thing that I need to do. I haven't done it yet. So I'll go into my Target Management Studio, go to my setup, backend options right here, and down here you see these public URLs, and I need to configure my Anywhere URL. I'll just copy part of this and use the same IP address here, but just with /anywhere. Now I have this button on the right hand side here to test the URL, so let's just try it. It should actually just open up the Anywhere client in this browser, and yes, indeed it seems to be doing exactly that. There you go. So that one is okay. We can close down the Target Management Studio, and now we should be able to safely copy this link. Let's try again, and this time we succeeded. Good. So we can close down this scheduled job, but let's have a look at it on the list. We don't want to wait for this one to run. It's right here. Notice, by the way, that these new publish options are being shown by this symbol that you see over here. But now if I right click this one here and run it now, it has now started producing this HTML output, and we'll just need to wait for this one to succeed before we can go to a browser and paste in the copied URL to see the result from that. So it succeeded. Let's go to the browser, paste in the URL. There you go. And just press the enter key here to load it. And indeed, this is your products dashboard. Notice everything like the mouse over, labels, etc. And you can browse your cross tab, so you actually got all the data here. It's not just a screenshot. Actually, the only thing you can't do are things like using drill down filters, for example.